hey, you never know. He's like, hey, you never know. He's like, hey, 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 hey. He's like.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka Power Pappy. Welcome back again to yet another monthly playlist, okay, where I update you guys on some of the records that I've listened to throughout the course of the month. And I come here and preview the playlist and I lead you on to amazing new fresh bangers in the Afrobeat scene and basically stuff that I didn't even get time to review as well. There's a lot of noteworthy music that dropped that I didn't get to cover on my channel because you know, it's not easy, sha. I skipped out on April, unfortunately, but I'm going to be putting a lot of April records into this May playlist. So this time around it's coming voluptuous. It has 51 records there that I think you guys would definitely vibe to, that I vibe to. So, and also with that, I have to do my discovery of the month, my song of the month, and my artist of the month. Okay. First off, let's get right into it. My discovery of the month, okay, goes by the name of Driz the Man. Okay, Driz the Man reached out to me and I listened to a couple records, but this one blew me away. Okay, I absolutely love this one. This was this is a very easy vibey record. The production is out of this world. The little details, the tweaks, the transitions, where it's so seamless, very clean, very like industry standard, and I really mess with it, man. This is Runaway. A very catchy tune too. Very catchy tune. Like very smooth delivery on the vocals, man. You're singing along, you're hooked on this song, man. You're definitely hooked. This is Runaway by Driz the Man. Let me do his introduction properly. Hey. Yeah, those keys, man.
In my life, I have seen beautiful things.
Hey.
You're my number one, yo. Put your body all on me. Would you be my company? Anytime you call on me, oh, baby, call on me. Put your body
I love that line so much, man.
Would you be my company? Anytime you call on me, oh, call on me. Run away with me.
Hey. Look at listen. This is layering, the harmony behind the background. Hey, that's a vibe, man. Just a vibe. That was Driz the Man, Runaway. Now, out of Canada, we have two artists that are making ground in order to like put like the Afrobeat scene from Canada on the map. Okay, King Magic and Boss put together an amazing album, okay, and a great listen. It's called Nijanada, and there are too many bangers from there. The entire album talks about the narrative of what it is to be a Nigerian in Canada, and a lot of the misconceptions that you might have of Nigerians in Canada, and just basically the narrative that they have everything set up for themselves. Not everybody does have them that shit together initially when they come here, and King Magic and Boss are open books, man. They give their whole scenario, they give their whole journey on this album, and it's a really amazing album to listen to. The intro track, man, called Try, that one blew me away. Listen to it. Let's go. This is the intro. Le.
Welcome to Nijanada. I don't give a fuck about the fucker. They follow my dream like say I be stalker. I know if you don't give up, them no say I special if you think so.
Talk. I'ma make it check out.
Back then, 1 room, 2 beds, 4 boys, no food. I dey play ball and go party with the same shoe. If you address, if you think say I know they talk through, tell me why I not gonna talk through. Make I dey speak my mind. Make I dey talk everything when they enter my medulla. Now we dey trip and shine. See as the girl them I find we dey give them money regular. Money they shower my money they shower my for me. Money they shower my
money they. Let's go.
Money they try. That's we no do. We don't try.
This song was stuck in my head, bro. Hey.
Welcome to Nijanada. God punish any motherfucker we talk say I I go continue to they suffer. 5 years don't work out. People still sit down on top my matter like say now me move their bread and their butter. I'ma see 1 meal for boys, no choice, no spoon. I they send my
the way they arrange the song.
If you feel say I know they talk true.
Tell me why I not go talk true. Nah, these are songwriters, bro. Hey, 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 on the regular.
Money they shower ya. Money they shower ya for me. Money they shower ya. Money they. We they try.
That's what we know we do. That's what we know we do.
We don't try.
That's what we know we do. That's what we know we do. That's what we know.
Another record that I've been vibing to is New Baby. Okay, if you guys haven't seen my Soaking Gary with episode, is with New Baby and is the artist, man. And this particular record is such a vibey tune. My first listen wasn't great, like wasn't the absolute like greatest of jams, but over time this song has grown on me and it's such a beautiful vibe. The intro, man, oof, so soothing, and New is laying down those vocals too, man. It's just too sweet, man. This is Only Fan by New Baby. Let's go. Hey. 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 What's it? Let's go.
They say the vibe no matter.
Where that bass enter, bro?
They say you know but you get the only fast.
Hey, let's go.
Say I mess up in love. Baby, alone my chair. Say I fuck up in love, you know. Baby, I need me a towel. Say I mess up in love. Baby, alone my chair. Say I fuck up in love, you know.
Next up, we have Harry Song. Let's go. You guys know me at High Life now. You guys know by now.
How am I go do? Just seek, invest and see. If your life is bad, confused and hard, just seek, invest and see. Waking up every morning, wake up, yo. Find your right organ, boss. Wait, one elevate, carry your case. Plenty, oh, dialing the number. Easy, oh, J-E-S-U-S, it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. With Jesus, it's a win. A win. It's a win. A win. It's a win. A win. It's a win. Oh yeah.
Hey, come on. Alright. You already know this one.
Kilometers. I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers.
We have a new Gabsy, okay, called Pull Up. Okay? Maybe pull up.
Anything you want from me, baby, talk to me. Tell me what you want from me, I'll be down for it. You can be sweet, girl, like a harmony. I ain't tryna sleep, come keep me company. Tonight, me and you, vibing, flying. Pull up on me tonight, sundown. We can do this 10 to the sun. Pull up on me tonight.
Hey, come on. This Choo Choo and IOJ, man. Let's go.
I know you are the one for me right when I look at you. Everybody knows say I'm in love and you are too. We go on like the beginning. If you want, I give you 4. So leave me and you, there's no confusion anymore.
Cause numbers don't lie. We're like 5 and 6, baby.
Hey, I don't know my numbers.
I don't mind. Cause numbers don't lie. We're like 5 and 6, baby. You and I. Oh.
Now for my song of the month, ladies and gentlemen. You already know it. It's Olamide. has to be Olamide. It has to be Bado, man. This song.
Girl, I just want me rock. Girl, I just want me grind. Girl, I just want me chill. Guys, fuck that, me mama, she pay body. Be spend you my paper. After tonight, I go live to the cigarette. Pass on a vendetta against me, cause of you, I got many haters. I'ma give.
Now, for my artist of the month, ladies and gentlemen, you already know it. It has to be Buju, man. Having a crazy run right now, from Feeling to Outside. And then there's this record that's still on this playlist with DTS, Heaven. Beautiful record. There's a song with Jess ETA called Body on Fire. Okay, Flames. He's having a run for his life right now, and he's on streak, man. I'm looking forward to a project this year, man. He has to cap it off with a project this year. Please, like, come on. My artist of the month of May and April, low key, somehow. I have to give it to Buju. Okay, without a doubt, it's Buju, man. Let's go. Shout out Adekunle, man. Hey, let's go. Oh, the way that bass enters, so nasty, man.
I like the way I'm feeling now. I'm way past my team with the stress me, but right now I'm chilling now.
That's what's up, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, if you're new to the channel, don't leave without liking, subscribing, checking out all the rest of the content here and my other channel. I just put out a brand new series. Well, I won't say it's brand new, don't mind me. It's coming back after a year. Soaking Gary with, where I sit down with the biggest prospects in the industry and I get to document their careers, man. So definitely go check that one out. And definitely the whole point of this video, my playlist, okay? The monthly playlist is layered out here, okay, for you in Apple Music, for Spotify and Audio Mac, okay? So let's get right into that. Thanks so much for supporting. I still got more videos. I know you guys want to see Kidomi Nuts. I'm working on that one. That one's coming for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.